Hello everybody, Blessed Chick here. I'm very excited to show this to you today because this makes your life simple. I've seen these before, and I've seen some ghetto ones that people make out of cardboard, and those work too. I'm not gonna knock those, but this is the real deal, and it's awesome. And I will totally use this because it folds up your clothes so nice. You can use this on shirts, collared shirts, sweaters, pants, and it's just such a simple way to keep and be organized. Let me quickly show you. Sorry about that. So it's pretty big. You're going to want to do this on I don't even know if it's wide enough, if an ironing board is wide enough. You might need to just do this on the bed or something, but hold on, let me put this up here and show you how it works. So here we've got a shirt. I want to put it face down, and I know you can't really see this right now, but I'm kind of lining it up with the bottom of the board, and this is a small, well, it's like a medium child shirt right now that I'm working on. So I'm going to take this and flip one board in like that, open it back up. You can straighten it up a little bit if you need to. Take the other side of the board, flip it in like that. Do any straightening you want to do right there. And then you've got this little bendable piece at the bottom. Fold that like that. Open it back up. Bam! How do you like that? A neatly, nicely folded up shirt. Almost perfect. I mean, I might have been a little unaligned, but is that not simple? And I mean, now you can stack shirts. You can, it just makes it so much more simple. All I was going to do was show you a shirt right now. I've already done the laundry with this, and it was awesome. It just made it more fun. So anyways, I love this, and it's 5 stars, and I know some people might think it's a little gimmicky, just because, a lot of people fold shirts or hang them up. But hey, to each their own. This is awesome. I would recommend this to everyone, and I think a lot of people would use these. I love it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching my video review. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them for you. I hope this helps you to make an informed decision on your next purchase, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.